iPhone fussy. White bitch tan looking like an orange on suit. Should I get a top and I rated it hot seat. Man, back in them bed.
My team member here, so I'm handing off.
Hey guys, with another video. It's your boy Ali B. Back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a fire drill for my brother. So stay tuned. Like 3 hours farting, right? But I'm not gonna be doing it for 3 hours. I'm only gonna do it for like 3 minutes. I don't know how long it takes. Yeah, here the top one.
A helicopter crashed into a building today.
Just can see this. Can see that. So we're gonna be doing like that. So come on. Just 1 second. Let me check the video. Check if he's in his game section. So I'm finished now, so he's in the game section and I'm about to then go. So don't mind my sister, she's in only daycare singing that song. Using my phone, watching YouTube. Check YouTube.
Mascara. I'm scared. And that's my. Big street, this
It's just a prank. Just a prank. How do you feel about the prank? But he really farted. He really farted. The thing was on. He really farted. He really farted. So, yo, don't mind. My aunt told me clean the table. That's why I got clean fast. So, peace.